Yo, what's up you guys? Brand new YouTube video here. I'm in my car right now. We're currently headed to the grocery store. About to go grab some food, grab some groceries, and we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys what I eat in a day. Alright, so I just pulled up the Stated Bros, got my face mask on, social distancing, gonna be safe, and I'm gonna show you guys a few things that I buy. Alright, so I just got back from the market. Some of the things I got from my lean protein sources: turkey bacon, 30 calories, only 2.5 grams of fat, 0 carbs, and 2 grams of protein in one slice. Next protein source, we have thin sliced chicken breast, 130 calories, 2 grams of fat, 0 carbs, and 25 grams of protein. Then I also got some ground turkey breast, 99% lean, 1% fat. It has 120 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 0 carbs, and 26 grams of protein. And then I like to get liquid egg whites, 100% liquid egg whites, 25 calories, 0 carbs, 0 fat, and then 5 grams of protein. That's in one serving. Then next up, I like to get these Too Good yogurt, 2 gram sugars of yogurt. In this whole container, it's only 80 calories, 12 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, 0 grams of added sugar. And then for some carbs, you got sweet potatoes. Can't go wrong with these. You can cook them up in several different ways. I got some broccoli, more broccoli. I also got some avocados, healthy fat. These maple and brown sugar oatmeal packs, 140 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, 28 grams of carb, and 6 grams of protein. Healthy carb right here. And then for all my snackers, I got Quest protein chips. This whole bag of chips is only 140 calories, 5 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbs, and 19 grams of protein. I got a couple protein bars. Personally, I like Quest the best. I think they taste the best, and the nutrition on them are pretty good. 200 calories, 8 grams of fat, 21 carbs, and then 21 protein. And then I don't always take these, but I saw them. Muscle Milk. They have 32 grams of protein and 170 calories, so I wanted to give these a try, see how they taste. And yeah, that's pretty much all the groceries I got. Let's see what I'm cooking up for meal one. Alright, so for my first meal today, I'm gonna have turkey bacon, some egg whites, some maple and brown sugar oats. I'll calculate the total for you guys. I'll show you guys all the macronutrients, show you guys how much protein, fat, and carbs, and total amount of calories there is too. When tracking your guys' food and macros, I highly recommend getting a food scale. This will help a lot. So I'm just gonna set it to 0 with the bowl. Set it to 0, so it's at 0 grams. And I'm gonna get my egg whites. So for one serving, it's 46 grams. I'll probably do like 4 to 5 servings. Alright, so this right here, I have 230 grams of egg whites, so that's 5 servings. So basically, the nutrition facts, you're just gonna times everything by 5. So this is 50 calories, 0 fat, 0 carbs, protein's 5 times 5, 25 grams of protein right here. This is also equivalent to, I believe it's about 8 egg whites. 7 to 8 egg whites. Alright, so for the oatmeal, I'm just going to tear it right here. Pour it into the bowl. And then I'm going to use milk, unsweetened almond milk. Fill it up to about 2/3 of a cup. You could actually just pour it back into the pouch and use the measure line right there. Alright, 2/3 of a cup, and then just pour that in there. And then we're just going to throw that in the microwave for about a minute. Yeah, look at them oats. Alright, those oats are done. Now let's take them out. Make sure to mix them around. Mix all that up. Close the microwave. Alright, so now I'm going to make these egg whites. Turn the fire on, about medium heat. Let that heat up for a little bit. And then to season it, I just throw in some Himalayan pink salt and a little bit of black pepper. And then also right here, I'm going to cook the turkey bacon. And then I also do like to add some reduced fat Mexican 4-cheese blend to my eggs. 90 calories, 6 grams of fat, 2 carbs, 7 grams of protein. Alright, so now we have our oats, our egg whites and some cheese, and our turkey bacon. Alright, so our totals for this meal are going to be 475 calories, so right under 500, 29 grams of carbs, 18 grams of fat, and 47 grams of protein. And that's for the liquid egg whites, the oatmeal, turkey bacon, and then the reduced fat Mexican style shredded cheese. So there you guys go. Check that out. There are the totals for breakfast. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to work out. For my pre-workout snack, I'm just going to have a Quest protein bar, quick 200 calories, 8 grams of fat, protein 21 grams of carbs. So it has all the macros you need for a good workout.
To turn it on. Turn it
back, guys. Just finished working out. About to have my post-workout snack. So I'm gonna have the muscle milk protein shake and some yogurt. Sometimes it depends. I don't always have this exact protein, but I like to get a protein shake in. I like to get some food with high proteins right after I work out. Feed the muscles that you just worked. Get that good proteins in. And then for this snack, totals come out to 250 calories, 11 carbs, 4 grams of fat, and 44 grams of protein. Alright guys, so it's about 5 o'clock. Just wanted to show you guys the totals of where we're at right now. Alright, so for totals, we're at 925 calories, 61 carbs, 31 grams of fat, 112 grams of protein, and we still have about 2 meals left. Alright guys, for my next meal I'm just going to have some thinly sliced chicken breast with some barbecue protein chips. Nice simple little meal. Alright you guys, so we're on our final meal of the day. Got some cod, broccoli, and rice. Alright, this is all measured out. I measured out right before. Let's see the totals. Alright, so 8 ounces of cod, about a cup of broccoli, and then 2/3 cup of jasmine rice. Those totals come out to 390 calories, 44 carbs, 1 gram of fat, and 43 grams of protein. Yeah, that's dinner. This is my last meal of the day. Grab this up and then we'll come back and see all the totals. Alright, so I'm all done eating for the day. That wraps up everything. The totals for today. Totals, 1,675 total calories, 110 total grams of carbs, 39 grams of fat, and 220 grams of protein. If it doesn't load, I'll put it up on the screen right here, but bam! Those are the totals for the day. Remember, it's pretty hard to eat strict like this all the time. This is what I'm really focused and determined. Try to do this as consistent as you can, but we get cravings. We want Chick-fil-A, we want chocolate, you want the ice cream. Remember, we're humans, it's okay. Focus on your 80-20. 80% strict, 20% gotta be lenient with yourself. Enjoy some food here and there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more. Leave a comment down below. Peace.